Here are a few motivational thoughts to help you get moving. 1. Small steps lead to big changes. Every bit of practice, no matter how small, adds up over time. Even just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference in your English skills. 2. Think about your goals. Why do you want to improve your English? Whether it's for career advancement, travel, or personal satisfaction, keeping your end goal in mind can help you stay motivated. 3. Routine and habit. Sometimes, starting is the hardest part. Try to make a habit of practicing at the same time each day. Once it becomes a routine, it will feel less like a chore. 4. Stay positive. Learning a language is a journey with ups and downs. Be kind to yourself and stay positive. Mistakes are part of the learning process and a sign that you are improving. 5. Find fun in learning. Incorporate activities you enjoy into your learning process. Whether it's watching your favorite show in English, playing language games, or chatting with friends, make it fun. Remember, you are already taking a great step by seeking out ways to improve. You've got this. Keep going, and soon you'll see the results of your hard work. If you want, we can start with a small, easy practice session together right now. How about it? Here's a conversation about a rainy day outing. Sarah, hey, Mike. Do you still want to go out today? It's raining pretty heavily. Mike, hi, Sarah. Yeah, I noticed. I was looking forward to our plans, but the weather is definitely putting a damper on things. Do you have any ideas for indoor activities? Sarah, well, we could visit the new indoor trampoline park that just opened. I heard it's a lot of fun. Mike, that sounds like a blast. I haven't been to a trampoline park in ages. Where is it located? Sarah, it's on Maple Street, right next to the shopping mall. We could also check out the mall while we're there. There are a few new stores I've been wanting to explore. Mike, that sounds like a perfect plan. I could use some new clothes. Maybe we can grab lunch at the mall too. I've been craving sushi lately. Sarah, sushi sounds great. There's a really good sushi place in the food court. They have a wide variety of rolls and some great bento boxes. Mike, awesome. Let's meet at the mall entrance around 11:30 then. That gives us plenty of time to explore and have lunch before heading to the trampoline park. Sarah, works for me. Don't forget to bring an umbrella and maybe a change of clothes if you want to jump comfortably. Mike, good idea. I'll bring a small bag with some clothes and a towel just in case. By the way, have you ever been to an indoor trampoline park before? Sarah, I have actually. They're a lot of fun but also quite a workout. There are usually different sections like dodgeball, basketball, and foam pits. It's a great way to spend a rainy day. Mike, that sounds fantastic. I'm looking forward to it. Do we need to book tickets in advance or can we just show up? Sarah, it's better to book in advance, especially on weekends or rainy days. I can book our tickets online right now. How does a 2-hour session sound? Mike, perfect. 2 hours should be plenty of time to have fun without getting too exhausted. Thanks for handling the tickets. Sarah, no problem. I've got the tickets booked. We're all set. I'm excited to check it out. Mike, same here. It'll be nice to do something different and active. I'll see you at the mall entrance at 11:30 then. Sarah, sounds good. See you soon, Mike. This extended conversation covers making plans, discussing details, and preparing for an activity, which can help improve English skills through more comprehensive dialogue.